Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to highlight text in a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet and click on your text box and select. Now click this three dot option and select edit option. Now drawing tool now open. Now you can double click on this text box and select your text, dragging your mouse you want to highlight. Now click this three dot option. Here you will find this highlight option. First select your highlight color. I will highlight this highlight color and see this highlight already applied. Also I will highlight this one and highlight color also is red color and see this. Also I will highlight this one and see this. You can also add custom highlight color. Okay, and see this. In this way you can highlight a text or character or a line and finally select save and close. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.